Hello traders, how are you today? Are you ready to trade British pound? I'm looking to sell short British pound. The price I'm looking to sell 141,413. Okay, looks like position opened at 141,413. Okay guys, I opened position on British pound. You still have chance to play new position, and we will trade right now British pound. Okay guys, stay with me, all of you who decided to trade British pound today. Stay with me, we'll go through this trade together, and I'll let you know when we're going to play stop and profit, how long. I cannot tell you how long it will take to complete this trade, but all I can tell you that we will end up in profit, because for years we've been trading the Forex stocks by using this strategy, and you don't have to worry that it moved up, it just despairs. So you still have a chance to enter position. I'll speak to you later guys, and stay safe.
City to middle-class parents. After waiting tables to help her family pay the bills, Warren became a star on the high school debate team.
Okay guys, let's play stop on profit for British pound, and the price we're looking to place 141.39.4. It will give us 2 pips. In our case, it will give us £200 in profit, because we make profit £100 on 1 pip. With you guys, it's all about how much you decided to invest in British pound. Okay, so stop on profit placed. Whatever happened, you will not end up in loss. This is most important. This is what it's all about, day trading. You don't have to wait until you will get double price in investment, or whatever, £1,000,000 straight away. Little bit every day. You will make trades, few minutes, few hours, and this way at the end of the day you will collect a good profit. Okay guys, stop at profit place. So if you decided to follow this trade, you have to do the same things. All right, and I'll speak to you later.
Just one of the many reasons he will never be president of the United States.
But she was wrong.
The forgotten men and women of our country will be forgotten no longer.
Warren wasted no time resisting Trump's agenda.
Have you ever managed or overseen a $1 trillion loan program?
I have not.
How about a $1 billion loan program?
I have not.
Okay.
In the Donald Trump era, Elizabeth Warren has been playing defense and trying to prevent Donald Trump and his cabinet appointees from rolling back protections that she helped enact.
Warren actually found herself rebuked by Mitch McConnell for reading a letter by Coretta Scott King about Jeff Sessions' record on racism during his confirmation.
She was warned. She was given an explanation. Nevertheless, she persisted.
That moment became something that's on T-shirts, bumper stickers, slogans, and that really galvanized a lot of support for her. It's been very hard for Republicans to get much of anything done this year, and that's at least in part to this resistance movement that Elizabeth Warren has helped champion.
We are here to fight back.
Enough of Elizabeth Warren. Like you,
Millions of dollars are being funneled to defeat Warren in the midterm elections in 2018. But it's the rumors of a 2020 presidential bid that has further prompted powerful donors to fund her opposition, often using the same playbook of constant and ruthless ad campaigns that many believe helped.
Great trade, guys. We have 200 pounds in profit. For you, you just earn 2 pips. If one pip was 30 pounds, you made 60 pounds just in how many? Just in a few minutes. If your pip worth 60 pounds, you made 100 pounds just in a few minutes. Well done, guys. Let's move on. Let's see another chance and opportunity to trade. If you want to find out more about this strategy, you have to go to companyeye.co.uk website. If you want to get the strategy, get from that website. Or if you want to follow our trades, please do so. You can follow our trades. No question asked. It's free. We don't charge anything at all. I just want to remind, it's live trades. We don't trade some paper money or something like that. This is live trade, and we trade real money. Okay? So this is real money involved. Okay? We do not advise you. We do not give you any recommendation what to buy, where to invest. All people who got this strategy, they understand straight away. They understand how to trade, and they know where to invest and how to invest. Okay? I'll speak to you later, guys.
Sadiq Khan, the mayor of London, has made some powerful opponents.
He doesn't know me, never met me, doesn't know what I'm all about. I think they're very rude statements, and frankly, tell him I will remember those statements.
My message to Donald Trump and his team is that, your views of Islam are ignorant.